Hi friends, how are you? I'm feeling awesome. Welcome to my garden. So this is the first sunflower of my garden. The flower started developing seeds. You could see the black one on the seeds, and these seeds are very good nutrients dense superfoods. So after a few days, once the seeds are matured, I cut off all the flowers. See, here's a smaller one, and here's the first flower. The first flower is the biggest, and it was full of seeds. If you take off all the dried stamens, you could see the black sunflower seeds matured, and it's already full of ants. So I'm going to dry it and use it. This is the first day after drying. You could see the ants are going off. I wondered how the seeds are perfectly placed in a proper order, like in circles, perfectly laid. It's not easy to fall off. So it's like a diamond or a pearl studded inside a ring or a necklace or bracelet. That's how it is precisely placed by nature. So I'm going to save some of the seeds for the next year, and some of the seeds I'm going to dry roast and eat as a snack. For the snack, you have to just remove the black shell. Then you have to roast with some salt and eat it. So I almost collected all the seeds. It's in hundreds. It's wonderful. See, from a single seed you get like hundreds of seeds. That's nature. Nature always gives back in bound. I dry roasted few of the seeds in the microwave, but it's better to dry roast in open pan. So once it's dry roasted, you have to remove the hard black shell. And taking off the hard outer covering, the shell is very hard because I had to be very careful not to break the seeds, but also to remove the cover. So if I have dry roasted in open pot, the seeds covering would have come out so easily, but this time it took me some time to take off this covering. And you know what, I have to re-roast it again because the microwave didn't roast well. So I have to extracted the seed, roasted it again with some salt, and this is the output. சூப்பராக இருக்குது. நான் கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரை பண்ணும்போது சால்ட் போட்டிருக்கேன். நல்லா க்ரன்ச்சியாக இருக்குது. நம்ம வேர்க்கடலை சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி தான் இருக்குது. ஆனால் சன்ஃப்ளவர் சீட்ஸில் நிறைய நியூட்ரிஷன் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நிறைய நட்ஸ் சாப்பிட்ணும். சன்ஃப்ளவரும் அதை சேர்த்துக்குவோம். நம்ம வேர்க்கடலை சாப்பிட்ருக்கோம். சன்ஃப்ளவரும் நல்லா தான் இருக்குது, செம்மையாக இருக்குது. நான் சாப்பிட போகிறேன் எனக்கு பிடிச்சமான இடத்துல, அட் ஹோம். ஸோ நீங்களும் ஹெல்த்தியாக சாப்பிட்டு சந்தோஷமாக இருங்க. See you in another video. Bye-bye. See my bunny. Bye, bunny.